Hey, Luke. Hey, Shad. What you doing?
Just making water. We need better sticks, and we need more sticks to just fall in this girl trap. Well, it needs to be deeper.
I don't know if it needs to be deeper.
It needs to be deeper.
Oh,
So he can land on it.
wow. It's a pretty intense trap, Luke.
I know.
Why'd you put all the sticks in the bottom?
What?
Is that your squirrel soup?
That?
That's the squirrel soup, huh?
No, it's the squirrel juice.
Squirrel
That's
juice.
The squirrel. That's the squirrel
Soup. Got it. And there's a Micah coming out in his shoes. Yeah.
Just 2 more.
And there comes a Jay. Miss JL, are you gonna go play in the mud? Are you gonna go play in the mud, baby? Oh, there's those pretty eyes. Yeah. Life's hard being a baby. Yep, got the squirrel trap. Got Shad over there pushing the water. You guys sure love this sandbox, huh? Nice.